Mestna občina Ljubljana je letos imela čast, da organizira sestanek mreže Mavričnih Mest.
TransAkcija je tako sodelovala, da smo v bistvu predstavljali svojo organizacijo, svoje delo in pa mislim, da še najpomembnejše pač diskurze in dileme, s katerimi se srečujemo.
The reason to create the network was that I've been working with local LGBTI policies for a long time, and in 2010 we met with some cities, which were Cologne and Barcelona, Torino in Italy and Amsterdam. And we met and we thought, if this European project ends, we still want to cooperate together. So 2010 we started slowly with just a few cities, and now we've become really big with 32. And we're still growing. We meet every year, so every year in a different city. So this year in beautiful Ljubljana, and we exchange throughout the year via mailing list, and we make sure that we have our website rainbowcities.com, which is used to put good practices on and specifics of the local policies in all these 32 cities.
The Brighton and Hove City has only been a member of the Rainbow Cities network for about 2 or 3 years now, but we're really pleased to take part.
Mestna občina Ljubljana je od leta 2013 članica mreže Mavričnih Mest. To pomeni, da smo se redno udeleževali sestankov, ki so potekali.
We have a good history and good work to share, but we also know we have a long way to go because there are still problems for people in the city. So we're here to share and learn from people, but also I think to share that support of cities all trying to do this kind of work. Unfortunately, discrimination is in every single aspect of people's lives, or can be. And representations of LGBT people are improving. They're still not very good, but trans and non-binary and intersex people, very, very poor, I think. It's certainly in the UK.
Jaz osebno sem bil zelo pozitivno presenečen, ker je bil interes ljudi zelo velik za našo organizacijo, za TransAkcijo. In smo se v bistvu pogovarjali o položaju transspolnih oseb znotraj LGBT skupnosti, o pravnem priznanju spola pri nas in v drugih državah.
The Fundamental Rights Agency of the EU, they had a research which showed that LGBTI people suffer from discrimination, but actually trans people suffer more. Political representation is very important, to have spokespersons about issues by the people who are living those issues.
Za trans osebe je bilo zelo specifično zaradi tega, ker vsaj javno razkrit nobeden izmed udeležencev oziroma udeleženk ni bila trans oseba. Večinoma so bile to geji ali pa lezbike in je bil to samo še en opomnik, tudi ko smo dejansko imeli World Cafe Srečanje, da je dostop do trans oseb vedno veliko težji kot pa do gejev in lezbik.
Leadership of the cities is very important, so that a mayor and the aldermen, social organizations, but also people, civil servants working for the administration in the city are positive, they don't discriminate. I think that improves lives of all people, not just LGBTI people.